14 years before the Hoover company put out this vacuum cleaner called the PowerMax. They first started with their first lines of concept vacuum cleaners. Since Clark High School was a school back then since 1978. The Hoover company first put out their first concept one called the U3101, which is a blue and white color scheme. It does feature the core rewinder on the vacuum, and they do take on other color schemes like blue and white, or green and white, or brown and white. Yep, this particular vacuum did came out since March of 1992. Ever since the Hoover company put out a canister vacuum called the Sprint. Yep, this vacuum might be. I'm guessing this vacuum might be related to a concept one, except it has the cord on the back. Normally on the concept one, they probably do have cord rewinders or cord wrap models. Yep. Instead of connecting the hose to the beater bar, they switched it to on here for easier attachment use. Yep, normally I'm guessing normally on a concept one it does feature a switch on the back, but this one has a power surge and self-propelled grip handle. Because back when they used to put out the earlier concept models, they did have a plastic handle. I wish could break easily, so they switched to this kind of handle for the PowerMax and also the Concept 2. Yep, I think they do YouTube videos for certain vacuums like these. This vacuum does take a 12-volt headlight, and I guess in the concept it does have the 2-volt headlight, but I think this vacuum is a lot greater than the originals. It does feature all its attachments on board the vacuum. I like it, one upholstery tool, which can also be used to clean rugs. A duster attachment, which can be used like for party curtains, and also clean up curtains, and I guess it might go double as I guess it might go double as a floor brush for tile or wood floors. Yep. It does do brush edge cleaning to get rid of embedded dirt, and it also has a standard edge cleaning. I do have the instruction book. I do have the instruction booklet to this kind of vacuum. Yep. Let's see. Perhaps I should discuss the problems. I guess I should discuss the problems about this vacuum. One piece of the bumper guard was taken off for some reason. Plus the belts on this vacuum is probably disintegrating. I guess you could buy those at either website like eBay or Amazon. The company probably does have their own website. And some of their vacuums, it can be featured on it beats as it sweeps as it cleans. Let's see. This card right here is an American vacuum plug. It can take a British. I'm guessing it could take a British made plug, so it can work in parts of European countries. Yeah. Hmm. It's a bit of a struggle to put the car back on. Yeah. Let's take a look at the rear of the vacuum. Yep. It does feature 2-foot. It does feature 2-foot pedals and power drive a technician, so it'll be able to make so it can make vacuuming a lot easy. So it can make vacuuming a lot easier. Yep. It does have 99.9% microfiltration. Yeah, for carpet settings, it does do a bare throttle for like medium, low, or attachment use. Plush if you have plush carpets, and it can also clean. I'm guessing it could clean up like 70s carpets, like for shed carpets. The littering is, I'm guessing the littering is like disintegrating too. Yep, it's part like a bummer about having vacuum problems. Yep. Well, if I don't have any more to say, well, if I don't have any more to say about this vacuum cleaner, not to be confused with bank cleaners. Thanks for watching this Hoover PowerMax review. Bye.